In this video, you will be learning how to install a hard drive into your PF series DVR. First, turn off the DVR and disconnect it from the power source. Next, remove the screws holding the cover in place. Then remove the cover. Here we have our Seagate 1TB Barracuda hard drive. Our DVRs are compatible with all Seagate Barracuda 7200 RPM hard drives. Install the 4 screws on the holes on the underside of your hard drive. Line the screws up with the holes on the bottom of the DVR. Turn the DVR over and tighten the screws down, locking the hard drive in place. Turn the DVR back over. Connect the power cable from the motherboard to the hard drive. Next, find the blue SATA cable provided in the accessories box included with your DVR. Plug one end of the SATA into the motherboard, the other end into the hard drive. Replace the cover to the DVR and the screws to hold it in place. Your DVR is now ready to plug in and record.